Alright boys, so we're going to be installing the Seeker wing that I got off Mr Bodykits. I'm just going to do a test fit because we still need to repaint the actual wing. Just a quick test fit. And, yeah. Good? So yeah, we're just going to be chilling, installing the wing and yeah. Nothing too advanced here, boys. Essentially, almost from the camera there. That would have been devastating. So there's a screw here. A screw there. Also, yeah, I know that it's rusting here, boys. I will touch up with paint. It looks surface, but I'm hoping it doesn't get any worse. And then pretty much the other two bolts are here. So there's 4 bolts in total. Just gotta take off this plastic piece here. Let me just grab my, I don't even know what you call them, upholstery kit, so I can take it off without damaging any panels. So yeah, we have a lot of vehicles at my house, so a lot of the stuff goes missing, so it takes a while to grab again. Yeah, have a sniff, buddy, have a sniff. Don't need it though. It's like 10mm bolts on the side. Ow! Shit. I blame my dog for that one. Thank God no tabs are broken. Alright, so there's bolt number 1. You remove the interior panel, that's number 2, number 3, and then number 4. So yeah, it's pretty much just this plastic piece that sits up there, and we took it off. So straight to unbolting the light. So essentially there's a grommet here that has this plug, and I didn't realize, but it literally just pops straight off. So yeah, I'm just gonna unplug that, and then I'm gonna figure out this here for the water. Yeah. Alright, so essentially the motor for the front power washers pretty much died, so what we did was rewired it so that it would produce power to the front power washers for the windscreen, and pretty much the back one's dead. But because we did the rewipe and delete, it doesn't really matter. So pretty much I don't need to really worry about the washer on this. I don't know if I should just completely remove it or if I'll keep it for now, but let's going to be interesting to see how we go about this. So, there you go boys, it's dirty as shit. I'm gonna clean it off before I put the new wing on. And here's the old wing, boys. Yay. Alright, I'll be right back. I'm gonna grab some tools to clean off all this dirtiness. Boys. Ah shit. This is set up a bit terrible if you're asking me, but it doesn't matter. Okay boys. I admit that this would probably be easier if I had the assistance of another person. But on the right side, the wing looks hectic. Okay, so I pretty much half-assed it because the way it was fitting was a bit sketchy, so I just did that bolt there, and I didn't want to strip anything, and I suppose it was just a test fit, so it doesn't matter. So essentially, I don't know if you guys can see, but the hole doesn't line up. So I'm not sure if it's a fabrication issue or if it's an issue from my side, maybe I mounted it wrong, but either way, it's just a test mount anyway. So I'll set up the car outside and I guess we can see how good it looks, I guess. There you go. There's a test fit of the wing. Just set up as we didn't put the bolts properly. Doesn't matter. Like I said, I'm still not sure what I'm going to spray. Certainly I want to spray the actual wing, but I'm not sure if I want to spray this as well. Definitely not going to be spraying that though. So yeah, I don't know if I should spray both of these two parts or just this middle part. But yeah. There's the wing for you guys.